Hello student, let us today understand the process of sex determination in animals. Sex determination, if we want to study, then we should know that there are two types of cells in organism. One is somatic cells and another is sex cells. Sex is determined by the chromosomes present in the sex cells. So let us consider about the sex cells. Sex cells have, suppose we are studying the inheritance of characters in man, then the sex cells are responsible for transfer of sex to the next generation. Say in man there are 44 chromosomes known as autosomes and 2x in case of female and 44 plus xy in case of male, means in total there are 46 chromosomes. If we are bothered only about the sex determination, then there are many types by which the sex of the organisms can be determined. So let us take the simplest method of sex determination. This method was discovered by McClung in milk weed called Lygeus. So this method is known as Lygeus type. The sex chromosomes were first discovered in grasshopper. As you know, it is a member of phylum Arthropoda, is an insect. The sex chromosome was discovered in grasshopper by Henking. The simplest form of sex determination is that the sex chromosome means XX and XY are responsible for determination of sex. Let us forget about the autosomes when we are studying about sex determination. There may be two types of situation which may arise in this case. One is XX is female and XY is male. Another condition may be like this, where X is male and XY is female. Okay. Coming to the how the sex is determined in this case. Suppose the parent combination is XX when it is crossed with X and Y. Let us remember that female produces only one type of egg, that is X, and male produces two types of sperm. One is of X type and another sperm is of Y type. It is a diploid condition and the gametes are haploid. The combination may be like this. If this X chromosome fuses if this X egg fuses with the X type of sperm, then the progeny will be XX, means female. Another chance is that this X may fuse with the Y, then this may give rise to a male child. The next probability may be that again the fusion of both X and a female child and another same combination means XY, that is male. So we can conclude that 50% of the progeny will be of male and remaining 50% will be female. This is the most common type of sex determination which is present in human beings. Let us study the another type which is just opposite, means X is male and XY is female. The same result is anticipated here also, as we have seen, but this type of sex determination is present in the birds, in flies, in case of moth, in case of fishes, in case of reptiles. Okay. Sex determination is a very important part in case of maintenance of stability of the population. So this was all about the sex determination part. Now let us discuss the another topic of this chapter, which is directly related to the process of heredity, that is evolution. Evolution, if you see the meaning of this word, it means unrolling or unfolding, simply unfolding. Let us consider that members of a species change generation after generation. With changing environment, which is necessary. By doing so, they are better developed, and as a result of this, they become more complex. Simply, evolution means descent with modifications. Descent with modification means when the next generation and after that generation and even after that generation, the species which are going to come, they will be better suited to the changing environment, because if they are unable to change themselves according to the changing environment, then they may face a problem of extinction, and nobody would like to become extinct from this beautiful earth. It means the members of a species change generation after generation. Now, how it is possible? Let us take the one of the beautiful advantage of beetles. Beetles are small size insects which prefers to live in small herb, particularly in bushes. Now let us assume the example of beetles are present in bushes. Suppose there were 12 beetles in a population which used to live in bushes. The color of the beetle were red. Now we must remember the color of leaf, which is green. The beetles are easily observable among the green leaves because of the contrast color. As a rule of the nature, beetles are eaten up by birds. So for birds, it becomes a little easier to see the beetles of red color because they were present in the green contrast color. So they used to eat the red beetles. As a result of this, the population of red beetles came down very sharply. This phenomena was continued for a long period of time. One fine day, there was a sudden change in the population of beetle due to one mutation. Let us consider mutation is the sudden inheritable change in the genotype that results in change in the phenotype. Mutation may be because of the environmental reasons, means X-rays, gamma rays, ultraviolet rays and hazardous chemicals. They can cause mutations, means these are all known as mutagens which can cause mutation. As a result of mutation, fortunately, red beetles gave rise to green beetles, which could not be seen by the birds as easily as the red beetle could. So it was a sort of advantage for the beetles. Now birds were finding it very difficult because green beetles were not so easy to locate among the bushes as the red beetle would. As a result of this, slowly and gradually the number of green beetles increased in the population and red beetles number came down because they were easily observable. This phenomena of selection of a better trait is seen as a natural selection.